Okay, I'm with Ethan, of course. A mask required. Okay, I almost forget.
I got a 12 battery limit.
Okay, we're gonna make this quick. Alright. This thing is always so busy. I see carbon monoxide right there. On we'll take.
Isn't that cool?
Okay. I'll call it. Here's Ethan enjoying himself in his natural environment.
Natural environment.
There's bells. I've seen more. There's one downstairs. All right, let's see. Do you know what this is?
Nope.
Okay, I'll let it be a surprise. Right there.
What is it? Oh. This? What is this? I have no idea.
Tedric.
I really don't know.
It says right there. Tedric. Door closes if you push the button, by the way.
I don't know.
Alright, go ahead.
I want to see.
Oh, hold on. He wants to...
Oh, there's another bell.
I got the... Okay, we better... We're gonna see if we get the... You wanna click 3?
God, I have 10% battery remaining.
We'll do a quick ride here. And I'll do like more off camera.
You can film more.
Yeah, I can film more. We're just gonna make sure we get the ride in.
This is like the worst time for me to have low battery. This
Alright.
Is this hydraulic?
Yeah, this is hydraulic. Go for it.
2 or 1?
Either one's fine.
Where that happened.
Make sure you pick up your jacket just in case someone enters.
If it will stop.
Yeah, it takes forever to level. Alright, you can stop recording now. You basically got what you wanted. I'll let you get it closing.
Sure, you can continue.
Okay. And we lost it. I was gonna keep it open for that reason.
I could have stopped.
Yeah. These are Epco HaloLine. What are the odds of it stopping here? Let's see if it stops here.
Too bad that they don't have any smoke in
It's going up.
That's interesting how they know.
This button feels weird. Like,
It seems different.
Yeah. God, I wish the fan was not so loud. Ah.
I wasn't sick. Just gonna hit the button.
There we go. You going down? Got it. There you go. Yeah, the motor room is out there. Alright. Let's see if it goes up. Here we go.
Completely closes. I was trying to do the door trick.
There's 2. You can see through the door.
Can you?
Yeah, you can, kinda. Oh yeah, you can.
Wow, you can see that's
Like it goes up and then it goes down. Which floor?
Oh, I'm ground floor.
Ground?
Yeah. Thank you.
There's exits on both 2 and 1, which is interesting. So this thing going down. There you go. Which floor?
2.
2?
Yes, next one up. That was 1 on the bottom, right?
Yeah, this is
Thank you.
2. You're going up?
Yeah.
Got it.
Thank you.
See what I mean? This thing gets used a lot. Maintained by Island Elevator. Okay. See if we can get a whole trip down. And then we'll exit downstairs. This is a GAO replacement. Listen to this thing going down.
Ooh, it's got
Listen. Yeah, that's new. Actually, we might actually exit on 2 so we get to the next building faster. If there's nobody waiting. If there's somebody waiting, we'll just get off. Okay.
It'll take off before these doors completely close.
Yeah.
It did from 2.
Look at, oh, it's bouncing. This thing is weird.
And that's what you get for having an older one.
Yeah. This is
character.
yeah.
It was under level. I could feel it.
No, it's over leveled actually.
That's what I mean.
Looks like it's got
That's what I meant.
GAL interlock.
I don't know much. I know much more about it.
You were able to see it in the door. All right. Well. Oh, did it go?
Still there.
Nope, it went up. All right.
Okay.
Well, we got one more building to go to, so I'm gonna finish off my tour. Look at how high that pull station is.
Yeah, that's how I knew it was an old system. Because that's the old hyper cabinet.
So that was interesting. I recommend after the next building you just power off your phone completely. So that way when what?
Oh, you didn't see it. I was going to do that trick where I fall, but don't actually fall.
Alright, let's. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot to stop recording. Oops. Alright, well.